Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, M.A.J. Customs. I am Amanda. If you are new here, hi. Today I am going to be putting a baby shark image on this sublimation blanket. Okay, I picked this up from Hobby Lobby. It was only $2.99, you guys, and I'm thinking I'm going to go back and get some more because these can be great for like gifts. Like you can sublimate anything on these, right, for like the holidays and stuff, and for like birthdays. So for this video you'll need your sublimation blanket. This one I had already opened because I wanted to measure it, how big I was going to do the image. So this one has the size 30 inches by 40 inches. That's like two and a half feet maybe by 3. But you can always use Google and Google your inches to feet. Okay, so for this video you'll need your blanket, you'll need your ruler because you want to measure how big you want your image. For this video though, you guys, I'm going to use a 13 by 19 sublimation paper. I will be putting my image this way on the paper, okay, because I'm gonna try to get it as big as possible on this blanket. Okay, so these are the items that you will be needing, and also along with your sublimation printer and ink. Okay, so yeah, y'all, let's get into this video so we can sublimate this blanket and see how it comes out. Okay everyone, so this is the image that I put together right here with my son's name, his birthday, well, when he was born. And this image is the original image that's in the middle right here, and all I did was add the individual sharks and the ping pong character right there. This is the image, and when I put it in remove BG, it took away all the white off my shark. So I had to just come over here on the right hand side panel, and we're going to open up the trace panel and just hit select trace area, and we're going to select our image. Now it's not going to come out clean. The edges of the image are not going to be clean, but over here, as you can see, I covered up as much as I could. Now white does not show up during sublimation, right? So I really technically didn't have to do nothing, but I just wanted to remove as much white as possible from around the background. Okay, so it's gonna look like rough around the edges once I get it. See how it's looking rough? So we're just gonna go ahead and hit trace and detach. You can't see it, but it's down at the bottom. You will have like trace. Let me see if I move this up. Oh no, it won't let me move this up. Okay, so you will have like trace, hold on, it won't let me move it. Okay, here we go. So yeah, down here you'll have like trace outer edge, and trace and detach. I hit trace and detach, and it's gonna look rough, right? But that's okay because the white isn't going to show up anyways, and I just went ahead and filled the characters all around it or whatever to make it look nice. All right, and for this image, you guys, I got this image off of Pinterest. Okay, so if you have an account with Pinterest, or if you don't, it's fine. But I went on here and I just typed in baby shark, and it brought up so much stuff. A lot of images will not come out clear. Okay, I had to download a few different ones, and some will, and you'll know that once it gets in here, because as you can see, this one that we just did, I could blow it up and it will stay clear. It will still be clear. Let me see. These little fishies right here are not clear, and neither is this ping pong image. He's not clear. And this shark right here, it ain't clear. And how I know is when I got the design over in here, I blew it up, and you can tell that she's kind of blurry. But that's okay. For this video, I already pieced this image together, and this is the design that I'm gonna go ahead and just print out. Now, if I was going to make something, an image or an item for somebody, no, I will not use a blurry image. I actually never used a blurry image, but I want to see for myself what it's gonna look like. I can replace these characters right here because I actually have, where is it, right here, I actually have a really good one right here that I can replace the blurry one with, but I don't want to because I want to see what it's gonna look like being that they're blurry. And again, it's for my son, so it's not like he's gonna know the difference. Okay, So if anybody else is curious about how does a blurry image turn out like, we're gonna find that out today. All right, so this is the image. I'm gonna print it on a 13 by 19. I believe I showed y'all in the beginning of the intro of the video that I'll be using this on a 13 by 19 paper, okay? And what I also will be doing, let me delete this. You also want to make sure you mirror your image. I'm gonna delete all this. Okay, you want to mirror your image. And what size paper do I have over here? Okay, mine says 13 by 19, and you want to make sure you keep your image within that. Let me see. Blow this up. Okay, so this is, oh, and another thing, I'm going to turn mine to the side so I can get the width as wide as I can get it, and then bring it in as far as like just like this, so I can get the most out of the height and out of the width, just because of the way, oh, I gotta bring it in. All right, there we go. So right now I'm at 19.2 in height and 12.4 in the width, okay? All right, that should be okay. Oh, I gotta bring it in a little bit. The ear was off paper. All right, so I'll bring it in just a little bit. And that should be good right there, you guys. All right, so again, I'm placing this in the middle of the blanket. I may later add some more like baby sharks and whatnot. I might, I'm not sure yet, but just for the sake of this video, I am going to print this image out and we're going to press it in the middle of the blanket, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and print this out. And again, you guys, you can go on Pinterest and see if you can find images that you can't find, like on Canva or Creative Fabrica. Baby shark is kind of one of the hardest ones to find, to get clear images of. Okay, so I was really happy that Pinterest had a few of them that I could use. All right, you guys, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and print this out, and then I will be back and we'll press this blanket. Okay, everyone, so my image is printed out, okay? And as you can see, there's no no white ridges around my image, because white doesn't show up again with sublimation ink, okay? So, and as you can see, the fishes are blurry, but I'm okay with that. It's gonna be just for my son, okay? So we're gonna see how this is gonna turn out, and I'm just gonna put it in the middle of the blanket, you guys, okay? Okay, everyone, so for the blanket, because it's a nice size blanket, okay? Trying to stand back. It's a nice size blanket. All right, and even on the blanket, you guys, it has 100% polyester. Try and bring it in. Okay, 100% polyester. And how I'm going to get the middle for my image. You're fine. Yeah. So I'm gonna just fold it in half like this, okay? And kind of, I'm gonna do just like a quick little press on it. I'm not gonna let it press for too long. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my center just like this, and I'm gonna press it. I'm gonna stop it at within like maybe 5 seconds of me pressing it, and then go ahead and center my image on there, okay? Okay, everyone, so now I have my crease in my blanket. All right, so I know where's the center going to be. Just make sure I try to get it as even as possible. All right, hold on. I want to make sure I got the same amount of material on each side. That's the center for my middle. Okay. All right, so about there is the center. Okay, so gotta bring it down, you guys. Remember, we want this to be in the middle of the blanket. Okay, so this is center here, and then just fold it back over. All right, so we should be okay. My center is right here. All right. Here's my image. I'm just placing it where I want it to be. Okay, and then I'm doing this for 60 seconds for 400 degrees, okay? Okay, guys, so you can tape your image down if you want. I'm not going to tape mine down. Just going to leave it just like so, okay? And again, your time and temp, your temp should be 400 degrees for 60 seconds. My heat press reached 393. I'm okay with that because you can do sublimation between 380 and 400 degrees, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this count down. I have it at a light press, okay, you guys? So I'm gonna let it count down and then I'll be back. Okay, everyone, 2 and 1. Here we go. And again, I'm holding my heat press. I'm not gonna let it just pop open. So I'm holding the top and opening it slow. All right, here we go. Wow, it came out so nice. Look at that, y'all. It came out real good. Even the ones that were blurry. Look at that. Yeah, that came out real good. But again, I would not recommend using blurry images if you are going to sell your image. Put it on a product. Okay, everyone, so this is the blanket. Okay, bring it back. And again, if you want to go in and add some more images, if you don't want it just in the middle like I did, then you go ahead and you're more than welcome to do so. But I like it. I like the way it came out, y'all. Yep, looks really, really nice. So yeah, I will be definitely going back to get some more so I can use these as gifts and I can decorate them how I like. So if you guys like this video and it was fun to do, you guys, it looks really good. It looks really good. So yeah, you guys, if you guys like this video and it was fun to do, and you know, very informative, hopefully our videos are informative to you all. Even if you guys just like watching us make stuff, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you all in the next video. And when I post this, it will be the day before New Year. So happy New Year's to each and every one of you. Stay blessed. Bye.